Do you find yourself tirelessly searching for the perfect sound effect or vibrant VFX element? You're not alone in this quest. ProductionCrate, founded in 2009, is your ultimate ally in elevating multimedia projects effortlessly. Imagine accessing a vast library filled with production-ready assets designed specifically for creators like you. Whether you're after stunning visual effects or captivating motion graphics, ProductionCrate has got you covered. Their impressive visual effects library includes magic powers, explosions, realistic muzzle flashes, and more that add flair to any project. Dynamic motion graphics, such as seamless transitions and lower thirds, can transform mundane edits into professional showcases. Music and sound effects are essential. They set the mood and enrich your storytelling experience. ProductionCrate's extensive audio library offers original tracks tailored to fit various genres and themes you may explore. What about 3D models? This platform boasts photorealistic creations that span categories, from ancient structures to everyday items. Enhancing your visuals is easy with a selection of graphics and textures, making your storytelling truly immersive. ProductionCrate also streamlines your workflow with efficient tools like After Effects scripts and a seamless integration for Premiere Pro. Are you ready to elevate your videos? Follow this step-by-step guide to start unlocking a world of creative possibilities. Sign up for a free ProductionCrate account and explore a wealth of categorized assets at your fingertips. Ready to light up your projects? Independent filmmakers and digital artists have already harnessed the power of ProductionCrate successfully. With various subscription plans tailored to diverse needs, you'll find a plan that fits your creative journey perfectly. While popular, consider alternatives like Shutterstock or Pond5 for further asset exploration, expanding your creative horizons. Despite some limitations on downloads, ProductionCrate's extensive library and user-friendly tools prove invaluable. Take the leap and unleash your creativity now. Dive into the rich resources of ProductionCrate today.